How to connect Eero to a Spectrum router. First, connect the Eero to the Spectrum equipment. Connect an Ethernet cable from LAN or an Ethernet port to the Spectrum router to the Ethernet port on the Eero. If you have a Spectrum modem without a router, connect the Eero directly to the modem instead. Spectrum confirms that the first device connected to its modem needs to be a router. Step 2. Set up the Eero in the Eero app. Open the Eero app, sign in, and follow the setup instructions to add the Eero network. Step 3. Choose your setup. If you're keeping the Spectrum router as your router, Eero can operate in bridge mode. If you want Eero to be your main router, the cleaner setup is Spectrum modem, the Eero, and then your devices. Spectrum's own community guidance recommends putting a modem-router combination into bridge mode when using another router. Step 4. If your Spectrum router supports bridge mode, enable bridge mode on the Spectrum gateway or router according to its model instructions, then allow the Eero to handle the routing. Now, Spectrum's newer standalone routers may not support bridge mode. Spectrum says those routers can't be put into bridge mode. In that case, you can use your own router instead of the Spectrum router. Step 5. Finish the Eero setup. Give your Eero network a Wi-Fi name and password. Then wait for the Eero to come online. Then step 6. Connect your devices. Connect your phones, computers, TVs, etc. to the new Wi-Fi Eero network. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.